Okay, so now we're going to do some beautiful pressure point work as we work all the way down the foot. So, pituitary, we're going to work sinuses all the way from our toes to the heel. Right the way down. So it's lovely press and twist technique. Could you do just a press technique? Yes, of course you could. Pressing and twisting is going to be deeper. So just down there, the diaphragm there. Heart, diaphragm, coming down here. And just working so directly below. So if you think of the zone therapy, we're going, or just divided, coming down from each toe right the way down. And of course, this is what I've talked about all along with, oh, by the way, just before I go on to that, see the way when I come down to the heel, I slide my hand underneath there, underneath the heel, so you can pick it up so it's easier to get better access. And just using my heels just to, again, blend using these deeper techniques with some touch again. So up in the sinuses there. Again, your eyes area. Most charts, eyes, ears, sinuses. So just working all the way through there. Of course, it feels absolutely fantastic. So what I was going to say was it's a really nice way to, I've talked about connecting the different parts of the foot as you do in massage, connecting the different parts of the body. And it's really, apart from the fact that we're stimulating all of these points, it's just really nice. So as opposed to just working on it for a long time on one side of the foot, you see me lift, just slide my hand underneath there to get to the heel again. So it just connects the whole thing. It's really nice. And again, just mix it up with a little bit of massage of the deep techniques. Very comforting. Grab the third toe, top of the toe. Once again, sinuses, eyes, head area. Right the way down. Solar plexus right there underneath the third toe. To work out our way down, so the kidney area. Small, large intestine areas. We go down all the way down sciatic area and slide my hand underneath so you get good, really good access to the heel. So you can see it's just a beautiful technique. And again, I just do some massage between each run. And then we do fourth toe, right at the top of the sinuses. And eyes or ears. So what I'm doing on the toes basically is between the joints. And just coming down. You can see how deeply that the stone goes in there. It's really beautiful, deep technique. And of course, slow, doing slow, deliberate movements. It's really comforting. It's never ticklish. And of course, it's not painful either. Well, it shouldn't be. If it is, you're going too deep. Right on top of the little toe. You see I hold the toes, each toe separately as we go through. And just work our way down to the shoulder area. Making our way all the way down. So this feels absolutely fantastic. And again, because we've been doing all the sections, this is a really nice, like I said to you, this is a really nice connecting technique to connect all of the sole of the foot, right the way from the toes to the heel. And then once you've done those 5 runs of pressure points, you could working all those reflex points. Just again, some nice, again, whatever you like to do, whether it's thumb walking, whether it's knuckles, whether it's soft fist, whether it's thumbs, whatever you like, just to balance that out. And there you have it.